Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to present our project, my project, sorry. The title is Implementations IoT in Warteg or Semi-Restaurant. What is IoT? IoT is the Internet of Things, describe the network of physical objects that are embedded with sensor, software, and the other technology for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the Internet. How does it work? Device and object with built-in sensor are connected to an Internet of Things platform, which integrates that data from the different devices and applies analytics to share the most valuable with applications. Wait. Okay. The next is this is my topology design. So in left side is network configurations that I use this method to connect all of tools in this project like a door and etc. This is our design. This is warteg or restaurant, semi-restaurant design. And then this is all component. We have router, switch, home gateway, central office, server PT, and etc. Uh, you can see in this picture. So the first I want to explain about network configurations. The first thing that I have put in the Cisco that is cell tower, because cell tower for me I think it's the central power, the central signal that can connect it each other, that can connect it another devices in this project, like the cell tower give a signal 3G or 4G. The signal will be received by other devices using air wireless media, which the carriers several services from the server connected to it, such as internet service, DHCP, web server, and etc. And next is central office server. The central office server is the central office, the main switching facility for a telco, providing access to the plain old telephone services or POTS. Lead side lines and circuit switched service that the telco offers to customer. It contains the switching equipment that connects telephone subscribed to both local and long-distance phone services. So the central office server will be connected to the other server like DNS server and also IoT server that we can see in this picture. After that, the central office server must be connected to the router. So as we know, the router is not it is just not usable for LAN but also WAN. So the after that, the router must be connected to switch, and the switch is connect multiple devices to form a local area LAN. So to connect these two things or these two server, we have used LAN cable, and the server will connect it to router and also the central office server. After that, the router must be connected to cloud. As we know, the cloud is just for saving data. So data for smart door, for AC, for light, it will saving in the cloud and the other server also. To get a strong signal, we give more modem cable here, and this is also important, the LC100 library IoT. So this is like we call gateway. I just want to give a definitions. the little definitions. Perform protocol converting so that two different computer network architecture can communicate. So this DLC 100 we can communicate with internet, communicate with another devices by the internet. So like the smart door, light, and etc. is get the signal for from the DLC 100 or from gateway or wireless and etc. So second is reservations room. So this is the first room that I want to explain. There are three tools here: the door, light, and air conditioners. This door connected to IoT internet also, light and air conditioners. So the second is standard room. I just want to give another perspective for Warteg, I think, because as we know, the Warteg is just like Warteg, just give some food uh, and drinks, etc. But I want to give another perspective, so I made two rooms in here in this project. Standard rooms is for to chips menu, and second is advanced room. It's for give more experience about the menu, so we can find the expensive menu outside. So we can see in this picture have a three tools. It's the same like reservations room, but the door is open in here. Door, light, and air conditioners. These three things is connected to internet also. Advanced room, we can see the new things here. Appliance is to just drink the coffee. If you want to take the coffee in this room, you can get a free. Air conditioner, also door and Bluetooth speaker to give more experience while you eating or drinking your menu, and light. And last thing is bedroom. So the bedroom have two tools here: light and smoke detector. Smoke detector is to detect the smoke. As we know, sometimes the people just want to take their cigarette to while using the bedroom, so smoke detector can be anticipate to their problems. So all these things, all these tools is connected to DLC 100, and every tool like door get the IP address from DLC, and DLC connected to cell tower, central office server, and the other component in network configurations. Okay, so this is the last thing, IoT connections. This is to proven that my project, IoT project, is work. We can see here the door uh, can connect the internet, light, Bluetooth speaker, AC, appliance, and smoke detector. I think I just want to give some little bit demo to make it easier. We can open the Cisco packet tracer. It's just simple, like I said before. We can control all these tools with just using your laptop, your smartphone, your computer, and etc. But it must be also connected to internet and have some no, and you have to have same IP address also, like this. The laptop. I just want to off the lamp. We can see in this standard room, we can see the light is on, which is off like this, and dim. This the proof that the connections is work in this project. And the lock, and the door, unlock, lock, and I think smoke detector. Uh, if smoke detector detect the smoke, uh, the smoke detector will, what is it, open the alarm. And appliance, okay, appliance is coffee machines, the simple coffee machines. If you want to use these coffee machines, you can take the open and off like this. Okay, so that is my project, implementation IoT in Warteg. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.